Hello again. Back to the skirtboard. Last night I patched it up, but I forgot to film it, so just use your imagination.
The wood patching actually did work pretty well. You can't really tell the difference between the janky add-on and the skirtboard anymore. Next, I used Kill Spray Primer because I'm a lazy bitch. If you don't already have one, get yourself one of these spray paint sprayers. They are amazing.
If you've been watching my page for long enough, you know that my least favorite thing of all time in the DIY world is paint prep. I absolutely hate it. And so I will do pretty much anything to avoid having to do paint prep. I'm gonna do painting now so that when I get all the treads and stuff installed, I can just do some patchwork and I can be as sloppy as I want.
Unfortunately, not all paint prep is avoidable. The tack cloth is important. It gets rid of all the dust so it doesn't look like
Touching tack cloths gives me major ick. Yeet!
I started by cutting in along all of the corners and then went through with a roller to get all of the flat surfaces. I also used my nail gun to attach this pretty plyboard so that it wouldn't look so ugly anymore. And while I'm at it, might as well just paint this upper part up here. Make it look all nice and clean. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for part 8 and follow along for more home DIY.